嘉應高升登頂成功，史上最強短途馬仲有冇爭議？大家好，歡迎收睇今集嘅賽後情書珠峰特別篇。萬眾期待，我哋馬王嘉應高升今日終於喺蘭域馬場出戰草地最高獎金賽事珠峰錦標。嘉應高升賽前克服咗各樣不利嘅條件，喺狀態未係十足嘅情況底下，都可以喺潘頓胯下以1分08秒13嘅時間贏出咗珠峰錦標，成功登頂。我哋重溫下呢場賽事先。
Magic Time is going forward, and we're just about ready to run. To the roar of a youthful crowd, and they're off in the Tab Everest, and Overpass began fast as expected. Kaying Rising's right there, and now Marzu is whipping up underneath the pair. Lady Shenandoah's got a great spot fourth in front of Tempted. Further back to Jolly Star. They're followed then by Jemmy Star is going forward from the wide draw. Briasa's got back in the field, followed then by Angel Capital, Jetabil and Magic Time. Marzu shows the way. Overpass sits on the outside. Kaying Rising 2 lengths away. Third is trucking along, and Jimmy keeps him company. Jimmy Star up on the outside, followed by Tempted, Lady Shenandoah, and Jolly Star gets great cover turning for home. Marzu in front from Overpass. Kaying Rising 2 lengths away. Then Jimmy Star clear from Tempted, Lady Shenandoah, Jolly Star down the outside. Overpass takes the lead by a length. Kaying Rising stoked up. Purton says, come on boy, show the Aussies what you've got. Kaying Rising moved up to Overpass, clear from Jimmy Star, but Kaying Rising, champions do what others can't. He's the world's best sprinter, no doubt. Kaying Rising won the Everest. Second prize Tempted from Jimmy Star, Jolly Star. Then came Overpass, Angel Capital late. Further back, Lady Shenandoah, War Machine. Briasa too far back, and Jetabil was one of the last to finish with Magic Time.
考完呢場珠峰之後，嘉應高升嘅連勝已經去到14場。我相信現時世一短途馬王絕對係毫無爭議，實至名歸。甚至係咪已經可以話而家嘅嘉應高升已經係史上最強嘅短途馬呢？我諗到可以同嘉應高升競爭嘅就只有兩匹，精英大師同埋龍王。先講精英大師，我相信就算唔係睇開馬嘅觀眾，都一定有聽過呢一隻馬嘅名。由2002年12月26號出道，去到2005年4月24號，跨季17連勝，創下嘅紀錄去到而家都仲未有其他馬可以打破，可以話係香港馬壇其中一隻最傳奇嘅馬。而精英大師生涯最出色一戰就一定係遠征日本挑戰短途馬錦標。喺13檔起步嘅精英大師，沿途守喺第4位，喺中段開始發力上前，去到第2。剩低最後150米左右嘅時候，先係冚過力弱嘅金鎮之光，再頂住後勁凌厲嘅多旺達，贏一個馬位，成為呢一項賽事自創辦以嚟第一隻喺日本以外贏嘅馬。再講龍王，呢一匹日本短途馬王，我相信香港馬迷都應該唔會陌生。喺2012至2013年連續2年贏咗香港短途錦標。呢一匹夏威夷王嘅子嗣，生涯19戰13 win 6披6項1級賽冠軍，而佢生涯最經典嘅一場頭馬就係2013年香港短途馬錦標。作為衛冕冠軍出賽，亦係佢生涯嘅退役戰。12檔起步嘅佢出閘就守喺第6位，就算沿途3碟都好，入到直路一騎落去，冇龍咁冇輕輕就彈出5個馬位贏馬，光榮引退。分享一個冷知識俾大家，曾經2次嚟香港挑戰嘉應高升都失敗嘅李健夢境就係龍王嘅子嗣。睇到嚟呢一度，嘉應高升喺今日贏咗珠峰之後，已經達成到14連勝。我相信只要隻馬健康正常，突破精英大師嘅17連勝都只不過係時間嘅問題。雖然而家都只係虛空比較，始終佢哋3隻馬都冇得同場競技比賽。但係我覺得嘉應高升無論係統治力定係實力上都超越上面講嗰2匹。唔知大家又覺唔覺得嘉應高升嘅實力係強過上面嗰2隻，定係大家心目中有比呢一2隻更加強嘅短途馬可以挑戰到嘉應高升而家嘅地位呢？可以留言話俾我知。今集嘅賽後情書嚟到呢一度，我哋下期見，拜拜。